efie na onyini wo mu no
hey tinie wa senka brabo hui eye bona enka wuni ne wosi omu pe baabi atu bata akono kenye kumasi Ashanti mam no mobile whoever your name is Mumuni or say whatever mama can no credential. Let me be honest with you as an honest reviewer. The insult on Ashantis and Ashanti region is enough. And then the entity Ashanti for ye really no one ya bibi anya wa say ayebo ni din we edin a okeka we wa sa woni ni wo sen omu pe baabi atu bata ba na Ashanti mam no mobile sebi omode oba yen so wa maye wenchi wa nkopa opa wa anya sibi you schooling. I don't know if you graduated or not, but I know you're still schooling at KUST also. Inti no then ebe bantia anytime you have an opportunity be a offer camera so enimpe Ashanti and tribalism insult ya antitu mu ye ni ade really abrabo nye bona enka woni no sen omupe baby etu batama o mabrabo abeko ya mom no ke yokumase Ashanti mom no mobile ene de wo si anti Ashanti for ye hwe enyan kwa na o ye NDC ni o the kind of politics you these young ones are doing it's so annoying. The reasons you are giving for insulting Ashantis. I have lived in Accra for about 20 years and I'm experiencing the same thing, bro. When crying for me, no kasa now when crying, you also know from no master men and we've never gotten offended about it because Obia region be and I say baby I will free biano or a little bit biased in you. And you know that doesn't take Ashanti's exception. I say Ashanti for the monka. Kra aje wo o ma meni o papa aje mo mutim abraboko ye mamo. But only opportunity be person di o matem. Ye nyina ye campaign manager mama. Nya nkwa na ye campaign manager mama. And you know if de biano oba beg, you know, o de Ashanti for any ba be ye former. It's hard time Ashantis are ready to reply you. And I have built this platform to reply anyone. Because of politics, Obabedi Ashanti atem just like that. Ashanti ni biya nyene na Ashanti nyene hwe. Politics obi ahebi. Mi hu eda yato aba ewo Northern Regional MPP anyada. Are you saying say omudie tribalism no monka ho, right? Yemfa no nto nchen. Yato abawie aba na yato no NDC edi nkunim even in Ashanti region. But yes still over video ne camera bia be so anima Ashanti. Hey, Mumuni o momone. Get this in your head. When you be anja wasia, wankasa o fasoso.
All right, abuzafo. In Semno Econo, this kind of tribalism talk from the NDC towards the Ashantism is getting out of hand. I say everybody be a best sorry biano, every other region be a best sorry biano. They try everything possible. Bia said they will attack Ashantis. On what grounds? But it comes from the Ashantis. All the helps that you people get fee Ashanti function. Muni way our company man NDC today. This girl has mad to talk to insult Ashantis. Which is very, very bad. We shouldn't encourage this nonsense just because you support NDC. So you can talk to the Ashantis anyhow. This is so wrong. You think you can, because who are followers kakrantin with some tribalic issues ni some fino and the bata the Ashantis. Which is very wrong. And then me see and some me got here from Munino and no clan ma me ti dia nkofo eka efa telephone. Today we have problems in Ghana, but when you go to airport, go to Ghana International Airport, we have people, they have employed young youths that are there dancing just to promote back. So now we are competing within ourselves. We are competing ourselves all in the name of this town, this country, this place is mine. We are competing because the tree dinner ready to be bisu. We are competing, bro. We have a lady, a young girl woman, and also Bahabonti be Kasaba.
Enti da ben antafo e besu nyansa. Da ben me pese me hu da ben e na sa antafo mwe. O besu nyansa. Wo so le a wusu ni nyansa.
With all the problems now, Ewa Accra, no? Street lights, Granny Accra, city of Ghana, the capital city of Accra, lights, Granny, street lights, Bini, you see, people are dying, bad roads, but we are not thinking about those things. Yeah, Jenny say we should change names. some things. Ebra. And yeah, music Ghana man. Or these things were not built by your money. And a different region for all way resource. And on a modiba beauty Accra. Places are only mining gold in the Krano. Near my Bene Wahoba, when it comes to Accra, we have better things there. It's mining now. We are different countries. For now, we almost say no, you know, almost can't show nearby Accra, the beauty Accra. And see, what is the hatred for? What are you hating these people for? And you never see these Ashanti people telling the girls that, oh, yeah, resources in the beauty Accra and Omunjai. Baby. Because you know when they say it's this thing is for Ghana. But today when you go to Kotoka International Airport, they have employed youth almost just to I don't know whether it's competition or whatever. And this woman, there's this Ghana woman, Mama say the Ghana woman was okay. Oh, just sad. It is sad. This tribalism thing I bet Jai Kurumasi. Damen.
Who are you, Asantis? Foolish people. We will change every single thing. Hefia na ma kwa baye ye Gambia ne wo ba chakefe. Be Ghana Commercial Bank Joe, Fidelity Bank Joe, Kotoka International Airport Joe, National Theatre Joe. Every single entrance in Greater Accra here, commercial entrance, public entrance in Greater Accra here, we will change everything. We will change everything. It's a planned thing for you people are trying to, to destroy the Ghana language. We are also on you. We will erase the tree from Accra. Yes, we will erase the tree from Accra. We will make sure that none of our kids speak tree in Accra. Foolish people, who do you think you are? You want to force the tree down our throats. What kind of stupidity is that? Even it's a planned thing from your from your quarters that you want to erase the Ghana language from Accra. We will also erase the tree from Accra. I would insist that none of my kids speak tree. Well, we don't even speak tree in this my house. We don't speak tree here. I don't even speak tree. I go out of my way to make sure I don't speak it. I either speak English or Ga. Yeah. Nyebe jomo fe moko ya mane mi ni wo yo ne. Ashanti nyoko be na ya jomo fe moko ya mane mi ni wo yo ne. It is all because we just want to coexist peacefully with you. You want to take someone for granted. But shy. Ego ka actually if you ask nigga. No no ba jomo ko ona phone ka mo here no no da fi o ba we bulu. O ba we kwasha we mo. We will erase the tree from Accra here. We don't care if the tree is spoken in the northern region or in the Volta region. We don't give a damn. Yeah. We don't give a damn. Our goal is to get rid of it from Accra here. Yeah, we will do it. We will insist that our children that are Ghanaians don't speak tree. And we will push it across. Foolish people.
Yeah. Mami penny won't say the Oka or Ashanti for some foolish people, and they are going to raise chi in a Ghana. This is what they are. She's saying. Or see, they will make sure say they will raise chi in a Ghana and I say in Accra. Babu Safo, what him the SE recently? Oh, Manjo. Ntokwana SEO 2 chiefs in Temno. Ebusia. Press conference now we hear last in crime for no we press conference a demand say the government to come in and fish out on kofono mu busie ne no chi no muka abusia chi they were speaking chi aren't na omuntu mi kanga and you are telling us say you are coming to raise chi in Ghana. I say ma dwene wo fom dodo. I do know how that from. Until now, I say you are. I wish I'm my share some video. The chiefs were speaking Chi, not Gan. And the Ghana, they are Gan chiefs. You understand?
To the lion dead and kill the lion. God will judge. This is the daylight rubbish. The masses will judge by themselves. Yes, Shady Abandon. Who person who can say who can say the idea pray, but predicting about sorry. Now your children are being killing your grandchildren. Government wake up and talk for us. You can't enter to the lion den.
They were speaking Chi. I don't know who can cry. And but you people are here fighting for back here. Anyways, on in this tribalistic politics and stuff must stop in this country. According to the man, he said, NDC fee, they were speaking Chi. You people want to make it popular. Bro, you can't make Ghana popular because one. Masa, to me, what they say, your Ghana is the third speaking language in Ghana. The Ghana is third speaking language. Just more accepting we all living in one unity. Just when this topic of Obakets and changing of Greater Accra to God Dangbe, Nanado time, Nanado catch the chief direct said, with all due respect, that is not your take to say. And you was him into Jaimami, it is me. By an idea, John Dramani, my body, San Yamani na a coso. And he is keeping quiet. Sometimes I don't blame these people. I blame those Ashantis NDC for Ashanti for not supporting NDC. With all this disrespect, this NDC people, and you people keep on supporting them. And the kind of disrespect, the kind of thing and treatment the NDC keep on giving you people, but you people still in the Ashanti region following them. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Bro.
Enti da ben antafo e besua nyansa. Da ben me pese me hu da ben e na sa antafo mwe o mesua nyansa. Wo so le a wo si wu ni nyansa.